This is a 2017 Lexus NX200t. I'm going to go ahead and reset the oil change, maintenance, and also the maintenance light. There are two different lights on at the moment. There's one, oil maintenance required, and the other maintenance required. They're two separate lights. I'm going to do it using the toggles here, the back, and also the left to right and the inner. So first we're going to go with the back button. Now we're going to go scroll to the right, the icons, to the settings icon. We're going to scroll all the way down until we actually get to the oil maintenance. Now in order to reset it, you push the center button. It's going to ask you, yes, the data has been reset. Now we're going to go back to scheduled maintenance. Yes. And that's it. Now we'll go back up. We'll go ahead and click over. No more caution, no more messages. Thanks for watching this video.